Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and warm welcome to everyone. My name is Dayana Auliya. I'm from Senior High School to Malang. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed educators and dear students, today I'm thrilled to discuss a groundbreaking development in education: the integration of artificial intelligence within the Merdeka Curriculum. This innovative approach is not just reshaping the way we teach and learn. It is paving the way for a brighter, more inclusive future for all students. At its core, the Merdeka Curriculum celebrates creativity, critical thinking, and independence in learning. It empowers students to explore their passions and develop their unique strengths. Nadiem Makarim, the Minister of Education and Culture, Research and Technology, emphasized that one of the most important aspects of technological transformation is changing mindsets and enhancing the competencies of teachers in Indonesia. We, at the Ministry of Education and Culture, Research and Technology, always believe in the role of technology as an enabler. Technology will not replace the roles of teachers, educators, and school principals. Nadiem stated during the release of the Impact Study Report on technology platforms by the Ministry in Jakarta on Wednesday, December 6. This statement confirmed that the Merdeka Curriculum is a form of change and innovation in the field of education that is based on technological advancement. A curriculum designed to empower students with the freedom to learn and explore their potential, supported by more inclusive, responsive, and enjoyable learning environment. This curriculum is also designed with the respect for the individual learning needs of students. In this case, AI allows us to handle learning experience to meet the unique needs of each student. In this curriculum, learners are given the freedom to study in a way that aligns with their skills and talents. This means that every individual deserves a more personalized learning experience, which ultimately enhances their understanding and motivation to learn. Incredibly, this is the point that AI really comes in handy. For example, we use an AI application called Canva. Canva help us to create posters, infographics, and other visual materials that can enhance our visual communication skills. With AI, students are no longer bound to the same approach for everyone. Instead, they have access to resources and support tailored to their pace and learning style. It provides access to global classroom, where students can collaborate with peers from around the world. This ensures that no student is left behind and every student receives enough challenge to keep them engaged and motivated. Another example AI application that we can use is Duolingo, a language learning app that uses AI to tailor lessons based on the progress and needs of the student, making language learning more interactive and enjoyable. The next is Quizlet. With the AI feature Learn, mode helps students learn effectively with study sessions suited to their progress and needs. Kahoot is a more challenging and fun game-based learning platform. Froggy Jumps, a quiz maker type that uses a cute frog character and jumps on the lotus if the answer is correct. The last is Flipper apps that use augmented reality or AR to make learning more engaging and immersive. Users can scan objects, image, or QR codes to access educational content. As a closing, I want to emphasize that AI has incredible ways in making learning process more evocative, dynamic, and interactive. AI is an enhancement, a complement that makes education program more effective, engaging, and inclusive. I believe with proper usage, strong ethics, and just policies, our education system will produce more and more competent, intelligent, better character, and higher integrity scholars. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. Remember, education is a powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. Stay inspired, take care. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.